Alright, welcome back. So in this video we're going to use this Hypnosis app to be able to make a hypnosis audio, and we're going to make it very relaxing, and we're going to choose our own narrator. We're going to include Theta entrainment so that we can go into a hypnagogic trance, and we'll also give it Verdi tuning just to give it a little bit more of that extra healing. Okay, so we're going to go visit hypno.reprogrammingmind.com. Here we're going to type in our challenge. So basically we're looking for a cortisol reset and nervous system regulation. Okay, so I work a high stress job and need to be able to relax at bedtime and sleep better and have my nervous system reset and enjoy more of the parasympathetic response. Okay, sympathetic response. Right, so that's nice and peaceful. That'll be peaceful. Oh, what else can we add? You know what? Not much more. Now, do we want this direct? No. Do we want this plain? No. We want this hypnotic, right? So what this is going to do is this gets sent to the AI, and the template has got all kinds of Ericksonian hypnosis parameters on it. Basically, I'm letting the AI say, look, you're an Ericksonian professional expert hypnotherapist, write a script based on my goal, right? So my goal is to be able to be more relaxed, okay? Very good. Now for the voice, I could use the Sage, all of these, but I like this one. I like the vocal fry.
Welcome to HypnoFlow. This is the voice of the healer.
Yeah, I like that voice. And I'm going to put some background on here. Now, usually I pick deep drone. Meditation's also nice. But I think for relaxation, I'm just going to go with the rain. Forest is also good. You might think it's got too many birds in it. But anyways, I'm going to go with rain. And I can change the volume here. I'm just going to keep this kind of low. Just a little bit of rain, a little bit of thunder in the background. I don't want this long. I just want to listen to this when I go to just before I go to bed. So nothing too long. 10 minutes is great. Now, Theta entrainment, I want that. We can make 6 hertz or whatever. Verdi tuning, we're also going to do that. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to hit AI transform. And what this will do is just set my goal to the AI Ericksonian hypnotherapist. So it'll turn my goal into a hypnosis script. So that's already going to be amazing. And then once we have this script, I'll be able to have the healer read it out with a hypnotic voice so that I can be nice and relaxed and calm. Oh, look, here it is. Here's the script. Excellent. So if you want, you can just take this whole script, copy it and paste it and read it yourself. But I don't want to do that. I'm just going to pick the healer. The guide is nice too, but I like her. Rain, okay, 10 minutes, English. You can pick other languages, but I'm going to go with English. And now I'm going to hit generate 10-minute session. So what's going to happen now is all of that text is going to be sent to it's Gemini, Google Gemini, text to speech. And then it'll read it in a nice hypnotic voice. It has all kinds of specific instructions. And then once that's complete, it will add this Theta entrainment. So it's going to sound a little bit weird because the voice will be speaking at one frequency sound at one ear, like let's say 200 and 206 in the other ear. And then your brain makes the difference of like 6, which will put you into a relaxed state. And this Verdi tuning puts it into 432 hertz. So this is actually a bit of complex mathematical engineering that's happening behind the scenes, and I'm not really capable of explaining it, but I've had AI teach it to me, and I read it, and it sounds kind of interesting. Anyways, it's going to take a bit of time. For a 10-minute audio, it's going to take about 10 minutes. A half-hour audio will take about half hour to produce and encode. Now, once this is done, what's going to happen is this will turn green, and then we can download it. And also, you can press play so we can listen to it while it's here. And also, it will send you an email. So what I'm going to do here now is just wait and we'll pick it up once this thing is done. Okay. Okay, so far it looks like the audio is done. We can listen to a sample, but what's happening right now is that as much as the sample is done, or the audio is done, now what happens is it gets sent to the email, but before that it's going to get converted and slapped back together. But before we even go to check the email, let's just listen to how it sounds so far. Okay, you can hear the theta and the rain. Good. And here's the script, so we should hear her talking soon. Hopefully.
As you sit or lie here now, you can begin to notice the way your body is supported by the surface beneath you, and you can allow your eyes to close whenever you feel ready to do so.
Good.
Or simply let your gaze soften as the weight of the day begins to lift away from your mind and your shoulders. Your breath is a natural tide, coming in and going out. And you might notice how each breath carries with it a more profound sense of ease as you give yourself permission to simply be. There is nothing you need to do right now, and there is nowhere you need to be.
Good.
Because this time is for you and you alone to find that deep sense of inner quiet that has been waiting for you.
Excellent, right? So you could hear that wah, 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 wah. That's that theta. So our brain is going to get entrained to, what was it set to? 5.5 hertz. So you'll be in a theta brainwave state, totally relaxed. And instead of just listening to it here, what ideally you want to be able to do is have it sent to your email and then download the MP3, and then you can have it on your player, and that way it's on your phone at all times. So if you're going to bed, you can just play it on your phone and go to bed, and listen to it, and hopefully it'll get you to a more relaxed state. Alright, so a little update in the status. Looks like it's all done now. It's just encoding, and it's saying check your email soon. So that's handy. We'll wait a few more minutes for that. Alright, we got it. So now down here it says download MP3. So I can just click that, and there, now it's being downloaded. And now that this is ready, I should be getting an email. And here we go. Your session is ready. Alright, cool. Download your MP3. So I can click this, and there we go. We have another way to be able to download that customized AI hypnosis audio for relaxation and resetting your nervous system. Alright, so boom, there we go. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to upload that to YouTube, then you can hear it in its entirety if you want to listen to that. Alright, if you want to make your own hypnosis audios, just visit hypno.reprogrammingmind.com, and you can make your own. Alright, so just put your goals in here. Right? Whatever your goal is, just type that in here. Pick your voice, pick your background, choose your length, choose what type of background enhancements you want, Theta, Verdi tuning, and then away you go. Alright, good luck. I hope that helps. Bye for now.